Hey everybody, welcome back to Salvaged by Sammie, and on this channel we tackle home projects, DIYs, and furniture flips. Usually at this time we are diving into a full-fledged furniture flip with all of the behind-the-scenes steps, but today we're going to talk about something a little bit different, and that is the military. So a lot of you know that I tackle all these projects, I do social media, I do content creation, but what a lot of you don't know is that before I did all of this, I was actually in the Navy and I served 6 years. I absolutely loved my time in the Navy. That is where I met my husband, who is now the father of our daughter. I had some of my best friends in the Navy. I got to travel. I got to do so many awesome things, but despite all those cool things that I got to do, I was left with a lot of mental and physical issues from my time in service. Veterans Affairs offers a whole bunch of different programs, including healthcare and monetary benefits that kind of help to supplement your income if you have disabilities that were caused by your time in service. However, the only bad thing is that the VA currently has over 400,000 backlogged claims, causing a lot of stress on veterans. It's causing homelessness, it's causing suicide rates to increase, and we need a better way to increase the efficiency of the VA claims process. As a lot of you know, I am a mom, I'm a full-time content creator and business owner. So when I got out of the Navy and I looked at this VA claims process and I saw a lot of other veterans that were saying they had been in the claims process for years, it was extremely discouraging. I didn't really know where to begin, and I didn't know how to fill out the paperwork to where it would be efficient and get me the benefits I deserved in a timely manner. Because of this, I was able to hire an outside entity who was able to streamline the process for me. I was able to give them all my medical documentations and everything that they needed, and they are experts in this field, and so they just made the process extremely easy for me. I personally have had an incredible experience with the agency that I hired. They made everything so much easier for me, but they do take a cut out of your back pay, and that's just so that they can get paid for their work. Although there are a lot of agents in this space who are advertising their help and saying they want to help, they are not always the most trustworthy. I was lucky enough to have a lot of higher ups who were mentors to me, who were able to point me in the right direction on who to ask for help and how to not get taken advantage of. Hiring out my claims process has allowed me to focus on my business, my family, all while knowing that my claims are being taken care of, I'm going to get the benefits that I'm owed, and that I have an agent who has my best interests at heart. There's currently a bill being introduced called the GUARD Act, and this seems at first look like an amazing bill that's going to help to minimize the sharks in this space and keep veterans from being taken advantage of. However, there are plenty of consultants in this space, like the ones that I've worked with, that really look out for veterans and want to get them their benefits quicker. By eliminating private veteran consultants, this will cause veterans to only go through one avenue to get their VA claim started. Right now, there's still a backlog of over 400,000 veterans that are waiting on benefits, and by forcing them to only go through one channel and eliminating all of the private consultants that we can go through, this is just going to make the backlog continue to grow. This income provided by the VA is a lot of veterans' sole income, especially if they're 100% disabled. This delay in benefits for veterans can cause homelessness, extra stress, isolation, and even higher suicide rates. And we do not have time to wait for this 400,000 backlog to be cleared. Private disability consultants have a proven track record of expediting the process of VA claims and getting them approved. Just like in any space, there are bad actors who need to be eliminated and held to a higher standard of accreditation. However, there are still amazing consultants like mine who have made the process so easy, so simple. They've taken so much stress off my back that they need to stay, and it will help veterans like me expedite the process. It is essential that regulations be placed to make sure that veterans like me aren't taken advantage of. However, we can do a lot better than the GUARD Act. I encourage you to look into this act further and make a decision that's going to be best for you and your family, but definitely talk to those who have been through the VA disability claims process, because they're going to be the best people to talk to. If you do oppose the GUARD Act, then I urge you to reach out to your congressman and share your thoughts. We need a better system.